Alright, year 2001 for our dollar CANAC, dollar loonie, USD, dollar versus Canadian dollar. So this is an example of a strong reaction off of this price. I did not draw this this trend line here, right? Did not draw this channel line. But after I saw how the price reacted here, I just realized, okay, this was a very good example of a strong reaction. Very strong resistance here because of these lines, right? If you draw this trend line, you see that this perfectly matches. So let's see how it actually gets, how it just jumps. See, it jumps very neatly, very good. So this is a very good sign that this is a reaction from the resistance, right? This reaction shows us that it's time to actually go down, right? Very strong, very nice pin bar. And now, yep, you see, very nice pin bar here. So this is a strong reaction off of the resistance level. It just bounced off. Yep. Should probably, here I should probably take some money off of the table. But this wasn't, anyways, this was a great reaction. The market is probably going to go sideways. Right, okay. Whoa, whoa, look at this. Very strong reaction. Now here we can buy again, but this is a story for another video.